Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, putting down another video for you. You know what time it is. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, before we get to my hot pick of the day, don't forget to help me out by smashing those buttons. That's right, the algos love it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new video, go live, all that good stuff, you'll be right there rocking and rolling with me. No diggity, no doubt. We're making it out. It's all gravy. You know how we do it. All right, with no further ado and no further jargon slanging, let's get into it. It is time for my hot pick of the day. Now, today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker JWN. That is Nordstrom.
Say what?
How did he come up with JWN? Well, I was wondering, and so you guys don't have to. I Googled it, and JWN actually stands for John W. Nordstrom, the founder of Nordstrom. So that's how they came up with the ticker JWN. I'm pretty sure NORD or any kind of variation was probably taken. So they came up with JWN. Anyways, JWN, Nordstrom earnings for the company's fiscal fourth quarter have the stock taking a tumble after market close today. This is due to its adjusted earnings of $1.42 a share versus Wall Street estimate of $1.47 a share. The company's revenue of $4.54 billion also comes in just below analysts' estimates of $4.56 billion. Now, for a more in-depth look of the most recent Nordstrom's earning report, adjusted per share earnings were down 4.05%. Also, revenue for the quarter comes in 1.34 higher than the $4.48 billion in the fiscal fourth quarter of 2018. Also, the Nordstrom earning report also included a net income of $193 million. Now, that's a 22.1% drop compared to the net income of $248 million during the same period prior. So the fourth quarter, not so good to Nordstrom. Yeah, but definitely, as always, as technical traders, as day traders, we got to look to the charts to get more insight on my hot pick of the day, the ticker JWN. That is Nordstrom. Now check it out. If we look at the intraday chart for Nordstrom, it closed here at 33.44. Then with the earnings report dropped all the way down to this 29.50. Tried to pop back up. We always use this 50%, the yellow golden line we call it. As a basis of whether to go long or go short on the stock. So we can see it is below the yellow line, the 50% retracement. So we definitely don't want to be bullish on the stock until it crosses over this way. I mean, if you want to scalp it, you could take it up to this line, but that's up to you depending on your strategy. But I like to keep it simple. So you see it popped up, tested this 31.21 area and kind of just chopping right below it, not breaking it. So we'll see this levels tomorrow. But before we do an intraday examination on Nordstrom, let's take a look at the daily chart to see where this stock has been as of late. You can see wild ride and wild times. This all the way back in 2014 hit this high of 83.16, came all the way down and tested this 35.57. Now I'm a big Fibonacci retracement trader, so what I did for this one is I actually fibbed this 25.01 back here all the way to this 35.15 level, and you can see since then it's been following very nicely using this 35.57 as support, pushing all the way up to this 42.10. Tried to use it as support and just couldn't. Broke down and actually tested all the way down, broke the 200, this orange line, 200 SMA. Very important that it's below that, you know. I tested and tried to hold this 33.08 level and held it down until today where we got that drop. So let's go back to the intraday chart and see what's going on with it. You can see, let's put the daily fib so you can get an idea. See, it was trying to hold this 33.08 level right here on Monday. Tested it, pushed up. Today, tested it again, held it, was trying to push up, and then with earnings, blam, just right back down and kind of holding this 30.29, which is actually the 50% retracement on the daily. So we want to watch that for sure also. But since we're intraday trading, let's take a look at the intraday levels to see what's going on with it. Like we said a little bit earlier, what we want to see is a break of this 31.21 and test of this 31.74. A rejection, we take it short, and we could test this level 31.21, 30.56, and even 29.50, the low of the after hours, and below that maybe even this 27.65. If we do break through this 31.74, my mouse is going crazy. If we do break this 31.74, we could get back to a bull territory, take it up to this 32.27, 33.02, and maybe even test this high of 33.98. At that point, we could even push up at 34.78. But this is all market dependent, and being that it is gapped down and the market has been kind of wishy-washy, I don't expect anything to really have any strength. So maybe we'll watch a test of this 31.21, maybe even this 31.74, and look for a short. But it all depends on your strategy, what you use, and your rules and regulations upon yourself. So it all depends what you use. You can definitely write down these levels. You can pause the video, rewind it, whatever you need to do, and take down these levels, as they will be in play tomorrow for my hot pick of the day, the ticker JWN. That is Nordstrom. Now there you go, there you have it. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker JWN. That is Nordstrom. Now, as always, takes a lot to put these videos together, and all I ever ask for you guys in return, 3 simple clicks of your mouse. That's right. Click number 1, you can like the video. You can also comment. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel, and click number 3, hit that bell notification anytime I put up some new content, whether it be videos, video lessons, or even go live like we do in the pre-market. And sometimes on Sunday, you'll be right there rocking and rolling with us, learning while we're earning and making that green. You know what I mean? So it's all good. All right, time for me to head on up out the door. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing on out, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.